forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on nth term of an arithmetic progression. Question number 1. Before this, one statement is there. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Question number 1. To find any term of an AP, we have to find first term and common difference. So in that question, first term is given. First term is 2. To find second term, we need common difference. So let common difference be D. Up since one more information is given, third term is 26. Third term is 26. And third term means A plus 2D. एक कम लिखते हैं यहाँ पे 3 हो तो 2D. थर्ड टर्म A plus 2D, फोर्थ टर्म A plus 3D, फिफ्थ टर्म A plus 4D. अब फर्स्ट टर्म इज 2. So 2 plus 2D equal to 26. अब this is linear equation in one variable. So find the value of D from this equation. 2D equal to 26 minus 2, 24. So D equal to 12. So we have first term and common difference. So we can find second term. So therefore second term is this box is equal to A plus D is equal to 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. Next problem. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. Question number 2. This is first term. This is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. This is fifth term. And this is sixth term. Up to find remaining terms means A1, A3, A4, A5. We have to find first term and common difference. So let first term equal to A and common difference is equal to D. Now according to problem, second term and sixth term is given. Second term is 38 and second term means A plus D equal to 38. Q equation number 1. And sixth term is minus 22. Sixth term means A plus 5D equal to minus 22. Give equation number 2. Now solve these two equations and find the value of A and D. So now subtract equation 1 from 2. A plus 5D equal to minus 22 and A plus D equal to 38. Now subtract minus, minus or minus. Cancel. 5D minus D, 4D. Minus 22 or minus 38. Minus 60. So D equal to minus 15. So we get common difference. Now find first term. Put D equal to minus 15 in equation 1. So therefore from equation 1, A plus D, A minus 15 equal to 38. So A equal to 38 plus 15. So 53. So first term is 53. After this we have first term and common difference. So now find remaining terms. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. A equal to 53 and d means minus 15. So 53 minus 30, 23. Now find A4. A4 इक्वल टू A3 प्लस, नेक्स्ट हम कैसे निकालते हैं अपन, D प्लस करके भी निकाल सकते हैं. सो A4 क्या निकाल सकते, कैसे निकालेंगे अपन, A3 प्लस D, इससे भी निकाल सकते हैं और A प्लस 3D से भी निकाल सकते हैं. A3 कितना है 23 और कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है माइनस 15, कितना आ गया 8. A5 यानी A4 में अपन कॉमन डिफरेंस प्लस करेंगे, लेकिन कॉमन डिफरेंस नेगेटिव है. So 8 minus 15 minus 7, and if we add minus 15 then we get last term minus 22. Next problem, question number 3. Which term of the AP is 78? So first write AP, 3, 8, 13, 18, dot 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 dot. This is first term, this is second term, third term and fourth term. Since first term is equal to 3, common difference equal to second minus first is equal to 5, and verify also 13 minus 8 5, 18 minus 13 5. So this is AP. Which term is 78? So let nth term is 78. अब now write formula. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. अब now substitute all the values. N means 78, A means first term 3, N number of terms we have to find, or D common difference 5. Now simplify. Send 3 dead side, so 78 minus 3, 75. Now dividing both side by 5. So left hand side upon 5. So 15, 15 5 is 75, and divide right hand side by 5, so we get n minus 1. Send one dead side, so 16. So value of n is 16. Next problem, question number 4. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Up to find 31st term, we have to find first term and common difference. यानी सबसे अपन क्या लेट करेंगे, let first term equal to A and common difference is equal to D. Therefore, according to problem, whose 11th term is 38, 11th term means A11 equal to 38, and 11th term is denoted by A plus 10D equal to 38. Give equation number 1. 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73, and 16th term is denoted by A plus 15D is equal to 73. Give equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. A plus 15D equal to 73, A plus 10D equal to 38. Now subtract, minus minus minus, cancel. 15 minus 10, 5D is equal to 73 minus 38. So 13 minus 8, 11, 13 minus 8, 5, and 6 minus 3, 3. So 35. So D is equal to, dividing both side by 5. So D equal to 7. 7 5 is 35. Now putting D equal to 7 in equation number 1. Therefore from equation 1, A plus 10D, D means 7, equal to 38. So A plus 70 equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 minus 70. So 32 minus 32. Now our problem is find the 31st term. So A31 is equal to A plus 30D. D के साथ जो भी कोफिशिएंट आएगा वो क्या आएगा? 1 लेस देन दिस नंबर. A इक्वल टू माइनस 32 and D equal to 7. Now simplify. Minus 32 plus 7 3 is 21. So 210. 210 minus 30. So 180. 180 minus 2, 178. So 31st term is 178. Next problem. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Since A equal to 3, D equal to common difference 15 minus 3, 12, 27 minus 15, 12, 39 minus 27, 12. So common difference is 12. According to problem, question is, which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54 term? So let nth term is equal to 132 plus 54th term means A54. Now apply formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now put all the values. In place of n, write A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 132 plus A54 means A plus 53D. Now put all the values. A is equal to 3. N means number of terms we have to find. D common difference 12 equal to 132 plus A 3 plus 53D. 53 into D. D means 12. Now simplify this calculation. 3 और 3 cancel. 12n minus 12 equal to 132 plus 12 3 is 36, carry 3, 12 5 is 60 or 3, 63. Next step, 12n equal to 636 plus this. So 600 plus 100, 700, 730, 760, 62, 68, 768 plus 12, so 780. So n equal to 780 upon 12. Now divide this, 780 upon 12. So n equal to 12 6 is 72. So 60, 12 5 is 60. So n is equal to 65. Next problem. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So first step, the list of 3-digit numbers is. How can we write the list? 3-digit numbers starting with 100. First number is 100, then 101, 102 in this way. Last number is 999. Which 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So just divide 100 by 7. 7 1 ja 7, so we get 3. 7 4 ja 28. When we divide 100 by 7, remainder is 2. यानी अगर अपन यहाँ पे इसमें +5 और कर दें, then this number is divisible by 7. So first number is 105. First number is 105. Second number 110. Third number 119. Now last number. Now divide 999 by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 4 ja 28. And 7 2 ja 14. When you divide 999 by 7, we get 5. Remainder is 5. यानी 5 एक्स्ट्रा है तो इसमें से 5 माइनस कर दो. मीन्स 994 इज डिविजिबल बाय 7. सो लास्ट नंबर इज 994. अब दिस इज AP हुज कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 7. सिंस A इज इक्वल टू 105, कॉमन डिफरेंस D इज इक्वल टू 112 माइनस 105 is equal to 7. Last term equal to 994. अब since last term equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L कितना दे रखा आपको? 994. A कितना गिवन है? 105. N नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स जो कि हमको फाइंड करना है, और D कॉमन डिफरेंस 7. अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. 994 माइनस 105. सो 994 माइनस 100, 894 माइनस 5, सो 889 इज इक्वल टू N माइनस 1 इंटू 7. हम नाउ डिवाइड दिस क्वांटिटी बाय 7. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14 and 7 7 ja 49 equal to N minus 1. Send one that side. So 127 plus 1, 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.